guys, so today we're going to be making brownie, and at the end of the video we're going to be taste testing it. So let's get into it. We'll be needing oil, water, egg, brownie tray and hand whisk. Okay, so we have our ingredients here, so let's get mixing. Alright, so first we pour in the oil. Oh, in the water. Nice. Oh, this looks weird. Where's the egg? Okay, come on, egg. I'm so nervous. Oh, it's cracking. I can't do it. I'm so scared. Yeah. Come on, Jude. He's from the Would You Rather video. Alright, guys, this looks so weird. Look at this. So funny. Alright, guys, 3. That's another 3, 2, 1. Oh. Mix. Oh my god. Guys, here's the brownie powder. We're gonna put it in. Oh. I'm gonna put it all in. Get out of here. Oh, that juice. Oh, it's gonna when I mix it, it's gonna go flying. Is it gonna go flying? I'm scared. Is it gonna? Alright, guys. Oh, it's flying! It's flying! Oh my god! So my sister is giving it a go. Look at this. It smells amazing, guys. So I think you can try it through the camera because the smell is so strong. So we're pouring the chocolate in right now. And oh boy, I still love the smell. Oh, it's like a chocolate waterfall. Oh my god. It's in the oven. I don't know where to put it down. I'm so scared. Oh, that burns. So we're gonna wait for 20 minutes, guys. Let's get started. Okay guys, 20 minutes are up. Time to taste test it. Look at these scrumptious brownies. Now let's go see what my family thinks. Eat like you've never ate before.
It's good.
Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe.